Ever feel like your gut's just sluggish? Here's a natural, doctor-reviewed 3-day rhythm reset that gently supports digestive regularity. No meds, no pressure, just gentle habits. Chapter 1, Day 1, the Gut Morning Ritual.
Start with warm lemon water mixed with a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. This ancient combo encourages a smooth start to the day, naturally supporting gut flow.
Next, blend a simple smoothie: banana, soaked chia seeds, flax seeds, a splash of kefir, and coconut water. Think of it as fiber, hydration, and probiotics, all in one glass.
Then take a 10-minute walk or do light stretches. Movement gently encourages your digestive system to wake up. It doesn't need to be intense, just consistent.
Chapter 2, Midday to Evening, Listen to your body.
Try a quinoa bowl with steamed veggies, topped with olive oil and ground flax seeds.
Afternoon, sip a calming tea with fennel or ginger.
Dinner could be magnesium-rich spinach, almonds, or avocado, plus a spoonful of sauerkraut for natural probiotic support.
Before bed, a light belly massage and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice. It's calming, hydrating, and helps reset your rhythm. Chapter 3, Day 4 to 7, Strengthen the Routine.
Snack on prunes, just 5 a day, rich in fiber and a gentle sugar alcohol called sorbitol.
Introduce psyllium husk slowly, 1 teaspoon in water once a day.
Keep up with fermented foods like kefir and kimchi. They help balance your gut flora over time.
And don't forget water. Fiber works best when it's hydrated. Aim for half your body weight in ounces each day. Chapter 4, Week 2 and beyond, Build a lasting habit.
Add a footstool under your feet while in the bathroom. This mimics a natural posture for smoother elimination.
Stay active after meals and stretch before bed with gentle poses like knees to chest.
Need occasional support? Try natural options like magnesium citrate or a tiny cup of aloe vera juice, but only when needed and always gently.
These habits are about balance, not quick fixes. Think of it as a conversation with your body, not a battle. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and leave your questions or experiences in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more doctor-approved wellness tips.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.